It'll hold. Okay, so we're out here today. We got Josh and Andrew. They helped me get the motor in the Talon finally. Now we just have to do everything else, but the motor's in, so that's about all we can ask for today. And the story with this engine hoist is I've had it, I don't know, 10 11 years. I've used it twice and it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, we weren't able to lift the engine up with this one, but Larry came through. He just doesn't know it yet with his old hoist, and it saved the day for us. So the motor's in. I got a lot of stuff to bolt down, and I have to find a lot of bolts that are somewhere in jars, glass jars. So we'll see. I'm gonna start looking.
Updated the mileage map too.
Right, so we're here. We're just gonna load. You key forward, Josh? Yep. We're gonna load the speed density map on here. Once we get all that done, We're gonna take it for a ride, see how she rips. We just copied all the other setup that we had on his original map that he had running for the Mass Air. So what we did is we took the settings that we had in his other map and we moved them on over to the speed density map. EFRA, GM air intake temp sensor, Omni 4-bar map sensor, and that's about it. We're gonna see if she starts up. Josh, you wanna go ahead and, is it done loading?
Yeah.
Okay. Happens. Not bad. I think it's gonna do pretty good. Let's go take it for a rip.
Alright guys, so just a quick update. We went for a cruise, we switched it over to speed density. Adrian hooked it up with the tune. It runs really good. I'm like really surprised. Like, better throttle response, you know, the car runs smooth, it sounds cool. So, you know, I got a 4-inch intake, and I got a 9-inch filter for more air for the turbo. And then I went with a 4-bar map sensor, so we swapped that out. And then for the IAT sensor, I got it welded on the intercooler pipe down here. And then I went with the spooling up straight connect kit, so it runs straight a wire over here down into your Mass Air. So man, that was a pretty simple thing, you know, for way better drivability. I'm excited, man. I'm happy. So ready for the methanol kits, what's coming next. So y'all be ready for that.
Heck yeah, heck yeah. Well, until next time, guys. I don't know why I did this. All right, guys.